Hello everyone! Welcome to Boost Up Level 3 class. I'm Miss Choi, and I'm going to start by taking a roll call first. So, let's see. Okay, area. Oh, you can say here and raise your hand, okay? Area. Chloe. Very good. So now, this is our last time to talk about seasons and weather, okay? Well, we're going to talk about these, but before that, we always start with what? Yes, by singing Boost Up song, okay? Boost Up theme song. This time, when you sing the part Boost Up, I want you to do a high five to the person next to you, okay? So what do you do when you sing the Boost Up part? Yes, you do a high five. All right.
Bam! Everybody get ready now! Get a boost up! Boost up! Up, up! It's time for boost up! Up, up!
Okay, so now we are going to do a review of what we learned last time. What did we learn last time? Yes, about, that's right, these things, that's right. So let's look at the pictures here. Oh, a girl. What's she doing? She's staying home. Very good. Stay home. Okay, and the second one? Very good. Fly a kite. And the third one? Oh yes, play in the park. And the last one? Yes, hang out with friends. Very good. So let's listen and repeat.
Number 1.
Stay home. Stay home.
Number 2.
Fly a kite. Fly a kite.
All right, so now I'm going to have you be in partners here. So you two together, two, yes. And I'm going to have you ask and answer, okay? So you can ask, what do you do on a sunny day? And you can answer, okay? You ready? Set, go. Yes, so we are going to do this in pairs. So you can ask, one of you can ask this question and the other person can answer, okay? Ready, set, go. All right, so now we are actually gonna read something here, okay? And today's topic here is geography. Okay, but before reading, we have some new words here. So let's look here. What flag is this? Mexico, very good. Can you see it? Mexico. Very good. Where is Mexico? That's right, in North America, right here. What about this flag? England, yes, England. Can you see it? And where is England? Oh, that's right, in Europe right here. Can you guess what kind of weather it would be in England? Okay. All right, so now we are going to read about weather across the world, okay? So let's look here. Do you remember this flag? Mexico, Mexico. Oh, how's the weather in Mexico? Can you guess by looking at this picture? Oh, maybe sunny. What about this flag? It's England, right? How's the weather in England? Can you guess? Rainy. And the last one? New Zealand. Very good. How's the weather there? Must be windy, huh? Okay. All right, so let's listen, okay? And we are actually going to listen to it 2 times, so get ready.
Weather across the world.
How's the weather in Mexico? It's sunny. Let's go to the beach. How's the weather in England?
Now that we've listened to it 2 times, we are going to actually listen again, but this time we are going to read line by line, all right? So let's get it started.
Weather across the world.
Across the world, very good.
How's the weather in Mexico?
How's the weather in Mexico?
It's sunny. Let's go to the beach.
It's sunny. Let's go to the beach. Very good. All right. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to, divide you into groups of 3. So use 3 together. All right. So now I want you to read again, okay? Read again, but as a group, you can choose one country, okay? Remember the flag? Yeah, what's this? Mexico, England, and New Zealand. Very good. So choose a country, and you're going to read about that country as a group, okay? And then we are going to change the countries and read their parts, okay? You ready? Set, go. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we are going to play a fun game. It's called Beep Game, okay? So I'm going to have you close your books. Close your books, and we are going to read the passage, okay? I'm actually gonna say, read the passage, but I'm going to say beep for certain words, okay? And you have to, you can listen very carefully, right? You can listen very carefully, and if you know the answer, raise your hand, okay? And you can say the answer, okay? All right. And when you actually say the correct word for that, you get a point. Okay. All right, so let's do a trial version here. So, you ready? Okay, so I'm gonna say, how's the beep in Mexico? Yes, Chloe? Oh, that's right, it's weather. I'm gonna continue on. Let's go. You get a point for that. Let's continue. It's sunny. Let's go to the beep. Yes, Aria? It's beach. You get a point. Okay, so do you understand? All right, so let's get it started. So I'm gonna read, listen very carefully, okay? And you can raise your hand if you know the answer, all right? All right, so now we are going to read and answer the questions here. What's the title? Do you know? Yes, weather. It's weather across the world. Very good. Is it rainy in Mexico? No, it isn't. It's sunny. Is it sunny in New Zealand? No, it isn't. It's windy. Very good. All right, now let's think about this question here. What's your favorite weather? What's your favorite weather? Yeah, what's your favorite weather area? Oh, you like windy days. Oh, why? Oh, I see. Okay. What about you, Chloe? What's your favorite weather? You like sunny days. Oh, okay. Okay, so like this, I want you to get into, yes, pairs, and I want you to think and say. Okay, so one of you can ask and one of you can answer. And you can switch and do the same. Okay, ready, set, go. All right, so now it's read and match time. So let's look here. Let's look at the first one. It's Mexico. How's the weather in Mexico? That's right, it's sunny. And in sunny days, what do you do? Yeah, go to the beach. So you can match it up. All right, so do the rest and let's check the answers together. All right, now we are going to do a class survey here. So let's look here. Look at the picture. How's the weather? Oh, it's rainy. Yeah, he has an umbrella and everything, yeah? Well, what do you do on a rainy day? Oh, do you stay home or do you go out and play? There's no right or wrong answer. Yeah, right. So let's raise your hands. I stay home. Who stays home? What about going out to play? Oh, I see. Okay, so now you are actually going to go around the classroom and do the survey here. So I have this worksheet for you. Okay, worksheet here. And I'm going to give you the worksheet. And what you're going to do is you are going to go around and ask students, what do you do on a rainy day? Very good. And they're going to answer. I'm actually going to divide you into groups of 2 here, okay? So this is A on my left side, and this is B on my right side here. So all the A's, raise your hand. Okay, all the B's, raise your hands. Very good. So all the A's here, you are going to, yes, ask the question. What do you do on a rainy day? So yeah, you have to go around. And all the B's here, you can answer, okay? So all the A's, as you go around, write the names of the students you do the survey with and check whether they stay home or go out and play, okay? All right, you ready? Set, go. All right, now we are going to switch and do the same, okay? So now all the B's, you get to do the survey. So you ask the question. What's the question? Yes, what do you do on a rainy day? And all the A's, what do you do? You can answer. All right, you ready? Set, go. All right, now we are going to do a fun game. So let's watch this video. Yes, the game's name is Weather Train Relay, okay? So watch very carefully and we're going to play the game together.
Weather Train Relay. Make teams. The first student says what is on each card, moving from start to finish. When finished, the next student starts. The fastest team to finish the relay wins. Ready, set, go!
It's sunny. I fly a kite. I play.
So I have the cards here. I'm gonna put it, yes, here. And what I want you to do is I'm gonna divide you into teams here. So team A, team B, and team C. All right. So now you have to, yes, go and say what's there in the ground and as fast as you can, right? And then the next person says the same. And the first team to do it all fast, you are going to be the winner. Okay, so you get ready? All right, I'm gonna play. Ready, set, go. All right, so now it's time for phonics. So let's open your books to page 108 here. Today's sound is A. We have different spellings, but they sound the same, huh? So let's listen and read and repeat.
Phonics 1. A.
A. Cave. Race. A. Tail. Rail.
Now we are going to listen and blend the sounds. And you are going to write the words here. And then we're going to check, okay? So let's listen and blend the sounds.
B. Number 1.
A. V. Cave.
Number 2.
Race.
Number 3.
Okay, so how do you blend the first one? Cave. Cave. Very good. And how do you spell it? C-A-V-E. Very good. Now we are going to read, okay, this passage here. So let's look here. What do you think it's about? Oh, who are these? These are horses. How many horses do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 horses. Yes. So we are going to read about these 8 horses. Okay, you ready? Let's listen, read, and make sure this time you're going to underline the A sounds here. So when you hear the A sound, please underline. For example, when you hear 8, you're going to underline the A part. When you hear race, you're going to underline the A part, A and E. Okay? So let's listen and read and underline.
C.
8 horses race all day. They race on the trail.
All right, now it's time for us to do the workbook. So please get out your workbooks and turn to page 10. Now here we are going to listen and number, and then we are going to write, okay? As you can see, we have a box here, and you can choose, yes, words from the box here, and then put it in here, okay? So let's listen first.
Weather across the world.
How's the weather in...
All right, so now let's look at this together. How's the what in Mexico? Weather, very good. It's time for us. So it's number 4. And so it's number 4. And let's read it. It's sunny. Let's go to the what? Very good. Number 5. And how's the weather in? Yes, 6, right? All right, so now it's time for us to say goodbye. But before that, what have we learned today? Yes, we read about different countries' weather, right? Oh, which countries do we talk about? Mexico, England, and New Zealand. Very good. Well, which country do you want to visit? Oh, lots of different opinions, yes. And let's check. How's the weather in England? Oh, what about New Zealand? Yeah, very windy, huh? Okay, very good. Well, I hope you had fun today, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.